Reverse psychology is a technique where you influence someone by suggesting the opposite of what you want them to do. Using rejection strategically can be a powerful form of reverse psychology. Here are 13 lessons on how to use rejection to your advantage. Number 1. Create scarcity. Lesson: rejection can make something appear more valuable by creating a sense of scarcity. If you turn down a request or offer, it can make the person desire it more. Explanation: when people feel they might lose something they want, they often increase their efforts to obtain it. For instance, if you reject a business proposal, the proposer might work harder to meet your standards or terms. Number 2. Increase perceived value. Lesson: rejecting something can make it seem more valuable to others. Explanation: when you reject a request, people may perceive your approval as more valuable because it's harder to get. This can lead to them valuing the approval or acceptance more highly. Number 3. Encourage perseverance. Lesson: rejection can motivate people to try harder. Explanation: when someone is rejected, they might be motivated to refine their approach or work harder to overcome the rejection, ultimately leading to a better outcome. Number 4. Show confidence. Lesson: rejection can be a way to assert your position and demonstrate confidence. Explanation: by rejecting a proposal or request, you show that you are firm in your beliefs and decisions, which can enhance your perceived authority and confidence. Number 5. Strengthen relationships. Lesson: sometimes rejection can strengthen relationships by making the other person appreciate you more. Explanation: when handled tactfully, rejection can show that you value the person's effort and are willing to stand firm, which can lead to mutual respect and a stronger relationship. Number 6. Clarify intentions. Lesson: rejection can help clarify your true intentions and priorities. Explanation: by rejecting certain requests or offers, you can make it clear what is important to you and what you are not willing to compromise on, which can help others better understand your needs. Number 7. Encourage self-reflection. Lesson: rejection can prompt others to reflect on their own actions or decisions. Explanation: when rejected, people might take time to consider why their approach didn't work and how they can improve, leading to personal growth and better future interactions. Number 8. Highlight commitment. Lesson: rejection can be used to show your commitment to certain standards or values. Explanation: by turning down offers that don't meet your criteria, you demonstrate your commitment to your principles, which can lead others to respect and align with your standards. Number 9. Leverage reciprocity. Lesson: rejection can lead to reciprocal actions. Explanation: if you reject a favor or offer, the other person might feel compelled to return the gesture in some way, often in a more favorable or significant manner. Number 10. Enhance negotiation power. Lesson: rejection can improve your negotiating position. Explanation: when you reject an initial offer or proposal, it can be used as leverage to negotiate better terms or concessions, as the other party may be more willing to make adjustments to win your acceptance. Number 11. Promote authenticity. Lesson: rejection can encourage more genuine interactions. Explanation: by rejecting superficial or insincere offers, you can encourage others to be more authentic and transparent in their approach, leading to more genuine connections. Number 12. Encourage independence. Lesson: rejection can help others develop independence and problem-solving skills. Explanation: when you reject help or assistance, it can prompt others to find solutions on their own, fostering growth and self-reliance. Number 13. Test commitment. Lesson: rejection can be used to gauge someone's true commitment or interest. Explanation: by rejecting an initial offer or proposal, you can see how much the other person values the opportunity by observing their response and willingness to overcome obstacles. Final thoughts. Using rejection strategically involves a balance of tact and timing. It's essential to ensure that your rejection doesn't come off as dismissive or hurtful, but rather as a deliberate and thoughtful choice aimed at fostering better outcomes and relationships. Thanks for watching.